Good morning, class 11, exercise 1.2. Question number 1, first part. Question is, which of the following are examples of null set? First part, set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Student, it is the null set because odd number cannot be divided by 2. So it is the null set. Second part, set of even prime number. Student, it is not a null set because even prime number is 2. It is having one element. 2 is even also and prime also. So it is not the null set. X is a natural number less than 5 and greater than 7. It cannot be possible. Number is less than 5 also and greater than 7. So it is the null set. Null set is represented by 5. Fourth part, y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Students, if lines are parallel, then no point is common. So it is also the null set. Then question number 2, which of the following sets are finite or infinite set? First part, set of the month of years. Set of month of years is a finite set. As you know, in a year there are 12 months. They are well defined and countable, so it is a finite set. There is a set having element 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we are not knowing how many elements are there. So it is infinite set. Infinite set. Third, there are elements 1, 2, 3 till 99 and 100. So, student, in this set there are 100 elements. So, it is finite, that is, it is a finite set. In a finite set, number of elements are finite or they are countable. Fourth, the set of positive integer less than 100. It is also a finite set. Fourth part is a finite set. Then, fifth part, the set of prime numbers less than 100. It is also the finite set. So, these are finite sets and that is the infinite set. Student, question 3. First part, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Student, there are infinite number of lines which are parallel to x-axis. There are infinite lines. So it is an infinite set. Second, set of letters in the English alphabet. That is a finite set. There are 26 elements. Is finite. Set of the numbers which are multiple of 5. Student, now The third part of question 3. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Student, there are infinite numbers which are multiple of 5 x such that x equal to 5n. Here n belongs to natural number. So it is infinite set. The set of animals living on the earth. Student, that is also a finite set because there are finite number of animals which are on the earth. It is finite. Then set of the circles passing through origin. Since from origin there are infinite circles can be drawn. We can draw infinite number of circles, so it is infinite set. Now the fourth question. Question 4. In the following state whether A equal to B or not. Student, if two sets are equal, then number of elements are equal and they are alike elements. So in the first part, A equal to element A, B, C, D. In a B, there is a D, C, B, A. It is also A, B, C, D. So here A equal to B. In the second part, A equal to 4, 8, 12 and 16. B equal to 8, 4, 16 and 18. Since 18 is not there and 12 is not in B, therefore A is not equal to B. Third part, A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. X is a positive even integer less than equal to 10. Both are equal. A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. B, student, it is the set. It is the roster form, this is the set builder form of the same set. X is a positive even integer less than equal to 10. So A equal to B. Here A equal to V. Then fourth part, X is a multiple of 10. And second part, there are the elements 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. All the elements are not the multiple of 10. So fourth part is A is not equal to B. Since B, set B, the element are not the multiple of 10. There are 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. So they are not the multiple of 10. Then question number 5, are the following set of pair of equal set? Give the reason. Question 5. Are the following pair of equal? Give the reason. So in the first part, there are the element 2, 3. Then B equal to X such that X is solution of equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Its solution A are minus 2 comma minus 3. Therefore, A is not equal to B. Second part, A is a letter of the word follow. So it is F O L O W. B is by is the letter of the word wolf. There are same element W O L F. So here A equal to B. Student, that's all for today.